I have REALME C1 and let me show you how to enable here the Google backup on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings, then scroll down and choose additional settings. From the following options you need to choose backup and reset, and here all you need to do is just use backup my data by using that switcher right here. So let's enable the backup my data, and now you can add the backup account. So let's choose on backup account. It's important to have the internet access because you need to sign in into the Google account, and you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account or use the existing Google account. In my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email. Tap next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it. Alright, now you can simply tap next again. Tap next. Let's tap I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The phone is checking info. Alright, so here let me leave enabled backup to Google Drive, tab accept, and let's tap on backup account again. Or let's just go back and then tap backup and reset one more time. Now you can choose your account, so everything went well. Let's select the backup account. Let me just go back and do it one more time. Alright, so now everything went well. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.